In our Reading Wonders book today, boys and girls, we have two short activities, and I wanted you to turn to page 99, and at the top of the page, go ahead and write your name. I'll write Snowy Cat's name up here. Snowy, and then a finger space, cat. You have room for your first and last name. So I want you to look at the pictures with me, and we're going to see what's going on, and we're going to sequence them. If we were telling a story about a little girl, how would it go? Okay, so let's look here. There's a little girl, and she's picking apples. Right here is the same little girl, and she's selling apple cider, applesauce cake, and then in the bottom picture here, it shows the little girl baking a cake, and she's got a pie cooling on the rack over there. There's some eggs, a measuring cup, some broken eggshells, some more apples over here, some flour and sugar, and a rolling pin, and she's wearing an apron. So look at the three pictures, go from the top, middle to bottom, and put what you think happened first, what happened next, and what happened last. And to show first, you're going to write a 1. So if the little girl wants to sell things at a bake sale, what's the first thing she would have to do? Okay. The first thing she would have to do would be to go find the apples. And she's fortunate enough to be able to go to an apple orchard and pick the apples, okay? And then does she sell next, or does she have to make the products and bake the products next? The next thing she has to do is make the things that she's going to sell. So we have first, next, and then last, which we write with the number 3, is selling the apple products. So first, next, and last. If you could echo and say that with me. First, pick the apples. Next, make the apple products. Last, sell the apple products. Okay, so that's it for that page. We're going to come over here, and at the top of the page you're going to see camel k, camel k. So we're just going to write the letter C today. So remember, when you write your C, don't close it all the way, otherwise you turn your C into an O, and that will not make the k sound. So I leave space open there, okay? So remember, you only have to write 2 by yourself, because over here can be too hard to work with. So then that was the capital C. Now let's do our lowercase c. We have 2 that we're going to trace, and start at the dot. Stay below the dotted line to write the lowercase. Leave that open space, lowercase, okay? And that's it for this book today, boys and girls. Give yourself an exit ticket at the top.